guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be covering this Chaise lounge chair that you can use at the beach, you can use it camping, maybe on the back porch or even in the house. So it has 5 adjustable positions, which I'm going to unfold it and show you how that looks. It can recline flat. It also has 2 carrying handles as demonstrated at the beginning, so it makes it easy to carry around. It comes with a comfort pad that can be put on top of it for extra comfort. It's reversible, so you have a blue side and you have a gray side or a silver side. The body and the frame is made of iron and aluminum and can hold up to 440 pounds. So, and it also is a breathable material, so you're not going to have any issues with sweating and stuff like that, but it's still going to protect you from the elements underneath. So it's definitely good for the outdoors. It would be perfect for any outdoor setting, whether you're camping or you're going on a hike overnight, anything like that. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you what it looks like. It's really easy to assemble. You just fold it out, oops, just like that. And then you got the last one here. And it flips over. So there's the chair. It comes with a little pillow pad that slides right on top, which is really nice. And then back here in the back, I'll show you in a second how it looks back here, but you have several different options for reclining, so it can hold it nice in place. And then the middle just stays like that, and this side stays there. And then if you want to put your pad on top of it, pick what color you like, and you can put it right on there. It has ties in each corner and on the sides, so you can secure it to the actual chair. But laying in it, you want to make sure that the middle piece is all the way back though. And that's it right there. Pretty comfy. I could definitely see myself camping, reading a book, maybe in the house here playing video games, something like that. I would say the pillow is definitely a nice addition to it. So let me show you the back and how those 5 adjustable positions work. But it's pretty easy. It's very light too, so it's not super heavy, but it's also very durable, which is nice. So the reclining function is just got the little notches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all the way down at the bottom if you want to run that. But you're just gonna basically put it on there and then you press it into place. So that's how you get your different levels. And then it goes all the way flat as well, if you want to go to sleep or lay down or whatever the case might be. So there's the gray. I'm about to go for a camping trip and I'm looking forward to putting it to use. When it comes to securing this, it actually, this bottom layer, if you put the gray side out, it actually has a little pocket right here that goes around the metal, and then this pillow is just elastic, but you just put that around and that's gonna hold this unit up at the top. And then for the sides, you have these little ties here. You got one here, one in this corner over here, and then one there and one there. And then it also has a nice little pocket here, so you can put your cell phone in there, or your book, or your reading glasses while you're relaxing by the pool or whatever the case might be.